Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV, where you can get your latest news as it breaks. Breaking news, yes, and events happens totally.
The President of Nigeria
So all you need to do is just press the subscribe button to get notification each time we post, so you can get updated. Okay?
is that
Stay glued
there
to
is
this
unity
channel. We love you.
between the governors and Manese. As you probably noticed, my emergence was the first time the whole 5 governors all agreed. I'm from Imo State. In Imo State, no other candidate emerged. Nobody opposed me. I came out. I was opposed. And the 5 governors all supported me. So the unity we have in Igbo land today, we have never had before. And that is a very big advantage to achieving our goal. I don't have any doubt in my mind. Definitely, we don't expect to sort out the matter in one day. Because some of the problems we have, there's criminal problem. Because people who come and kidnap, people who come to kill, they cannot say they are working for Biafra or working for Nnamdi. It's not correct. You know, if somebody kidnapping, see that they're all criminal. So I think really that the governors in particular, and the members of National Assembly, not only the governors, really. And that's why we call them to this meeting. The members of National Assembly will work with the governors and get the talk with the president, so that the matter can be actually resolved once and for all. So